guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing well. So after coming home we have a lot of work like unpacking करना है and the house is a really big mess. सब कुछ बिखरा हुआ है हमारी चीज़ें and all our friends are going to come to our place and हमने उनको warning दे दिया कि भाई घर बिखरा हुआ है. It is very messy. तो चलेगा तो आ जाओ. But they are still welcome. And it is coffee break time. While coming back home, we got to know that Ash King is performing in Symbiosis. देखते फिल्म
तो लगेगा ही ना।
इस ब्लॉग की शुरुआत हो रही है। इस ब्लॉग की शुरुआत हो रही है अगेन मोनोपोली नाइट।
और अगर हम दोबारा आपको आगे हफ्ते में ना दिखे तो आप समझ जाना हम बहुत ही है बैंकरप्ट हो चुकी है, बिल्कुल बैंकरप्सी हो चुकी है, कुछ नहीं बचेगा।
ले जा Hello. So today is Friday and I'm just happy with the weekend vibes. Also today is my sister's birthday. Happy birthday Sim. I miss you a little too much, so please come to me soon. Also I got package to open with my new knife. एक्चुअली मेरे घर की चप्पल बहुत पुरानी हो गई है और उसका सारा सॉफ्टनेस चला गया है. इट इज़ नॉट कम्फर्टेबल एनी मोर. पता नहीं क्यों मैं हमेशा पैकेजेस ओपन करने में इतना स्ट्रगल क्यों करती हूँ. अब तो मेरे पास इतना अच्छा नाइफ है. मेरा अनबॉक्सिंग का स्ट्रगल एकदम रियल होता है सही में. और मुझे ये देव का माइक यूज़ करने में भी बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है. This is like really soft and very cute. Look at this bunny. This is very cute. इसमें है star and इसमें है moon. So there is one more thing. We started watching a new series after returning to Pune on Monday. इसका नाम है Cassandra. So we started this on Tuesday.
Yes.
So we started watching Cassandra on Tuesday. It is a very small series, just one season and 6 episodes. And we just randomly saw its trailer on Netflix. It just popped up and we found it interesting. So we started watching it. And it is a really good series. But then yesterday ऐसे ही देव ने देखा IMDb रेटिंग कितना है and it is just 6.6 और हमको इतना अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ मतलब इस काफी शॉकिंग है उस हिसाब से क्योंकि like the series is really interesting. थोड़ा एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव है. It's a German series actually and it's a limited series नया ही आया है and हमें तो लगा था कि at least by IMDb standards as well it should be at least a 7.
Yeah.
6.6 is very less and it's pretty interesting actually. We are actually at the finale episode. 6 episode है and we have reached the finale and most likely आज हो ही जाएगा खत्म. But yeah, you guys should watch. Like if you are interested in
recommend it.
हाँ AI related या इस type का concept में series. So it's mostly on the darker side of AI basically.
स्मार्ट होम एंड रोबोट्स AI यही सब है इसमें और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. बस इसमें एक ही बंदा बेवकूफ़ दिखता है, वो है मेन एक्ट्रेस जो है उसका पति. क्या नाम है उसका?
नाम तो भूल गया बट हाँ प्रोटैगनिस्ट जो है उसका जो husband है, like they have shown him in a very weird shade, like probably थोड़ा और अक्लमंद तो हो ही सकता है, but
पर उसको बहुत डम दिखा है। उसकी बीवी उसको कुछ बोल रही है रोबोट के बारे में। उसको रोबोट पे ज्यादा भरोसा है, उसको अपनी बीवी पे ज्यादा भरोसा नहीं है भाई। अपने उसके बीवी बच्चे क्या बोल रहे हो वो सब नहीं सुनना। नहीं नहीं, रोबोट सबसे अच्छी है। पागल है, कैसा तो दिखाया है। So the weekend is here and yesterday I did a lot of editing for the week 7 vlog. I literally had 2.5 hours worth of content and it took me the whole day. There was a lot of rework also, but it was fun and I'm really happy that I uploaded 2 vlogs this week. And next one will definitely come on Friday, not on any other days. I'll try to make it a point to upload it on Friday. And we are going for a movie date. After a very long time, we are going to a theater to watch a movie. Actually, it's been pretty long since there's been a good movie out.
it's been a long time.
Yeah,
It
it's
was
been
back to back in, I guess, around September, October. There were, if I'm not wrong, around 5 or 6 movies
right.
we had watched. But then उसके बाद से एक तो we are traveling, and apart from that थोड़े बहुत ये भी चल रहा है, like not really the perfect release with जाने का मन. So finally we are going to that.
This is also like we'll see the movie and then we'll give you our reviews.
Because there
We've
is a
got-
scarcity of good movies, but this one seems to be a decent one. We'll watch it and then she'll let you know if it's worth the watch.
Sure. And we are going to watch Lavi Appa now. So we'll see you guys after the movie. Bye bye. There's a slide at the side for kids to slide on, and the whole decor looks really cute with the ship and fishes, and it's just cute and adorable. The movie is done and बहुत ही टाइम पास movie था, बहुत funny था. There were a lot of moments where it really made us laugh a lot, and the whole theater was just echoing with laughter. It was very funny.
I exceeded the expectations in a way actually, क्योंकि हमने बहुत ही कम expectation के साथ गए थे, like we told, because we really were not understanding कि कौन सी movie देखने जाए, but eventually it turned out to be a good watch. मतलब
हाँ, अच्छा टाइम
काफी
पास,
funny था, सही था.
अच्छा टाइम पास हो गया हमारा. वीक का हसल बसल स्टार्ट होने से पहले हम वीकेंड के मजे लेने आए हैं.
Yes, हम डेट पे आए हैं अभी. I have brought her to a date which was long pending because हम अभी लास्ट कुछ दिन ट्रैवल से पहले we were planning to come to one, but then फिर packing and उस सब के चक्कर में we were so caught up that eventually we couldn't. So I told चलो finally we have got this week to ourselves fully. And तो अभी मूवी भी हो गया था और बस फिर आ गए.
So now we will enjoy our date. Bye
Yes.
bye.
Bye-bye.
And then we went to our favorite place to buy plants. We love the Ugao store. They have really healthy plants, and we also bought one, and it was a very good day. Hello, happy Monday. So today I'm going to give you some plant updates. My plants are growing beautifully and they are healthy, so I'm very proud of them. So I'm going to show you the little growth which I have observed in my plants. Actually not little, good growth. So the dragon plant has this new, we had a good stem here. It was giving flowers also, but a pigeon came and broke it. See if you can see over here, it's broken. I blame the pigeon for this. And if you guys remember, my tomato plant had mealybugs, you can see, right? But still, it is giving flowers. This is a whole new branch and it is giving beautiful flowers. Let's see if they can turn into tomatoes. Our neighbor had given us a small cutting of this plant and it is growing beautifully. Look at the small branches. So yesterday we went to Ugao store and we bought a new plant. The name of this plant is Chinese evergreen. It is famous for its vibrant pinkish red leaf edges. This plant also helps to purify air. It is a common indoor plant. Look at this cutie. So I was looking for a solution for mealybugs and Apurva gave me this pesticide. She got it from a local nursery. So I'll just mix this with some water and then spray it on my plants. Also, I was looking for a preventive measure and yesterday in Ugao I found one Mealy Shield Preventive Coat Spray. Is this one. We do not have to directly spray this. It says that we need to mix 1 or 2 ml of this spray in 1 liter of water, and we have to spray it weekly after mealybugs are spotted. Okay, so even if your plants have mealybugs, then also this can be used, but it is also a preventive spray. Use every fortnight as a preventive measure and do not spray in peak sun. So I will be using this also. First I'll completely use this. After that, if needed, I will use this for preventive measure.
So guys, the update is that we finally finished Cassandra and हमें जो डाउट था तब कि IMDb में क्यों कम है, we finally got an answer to that because overall the series was good, a limited series, and it was going pretty well until the last episode and मतलब वो भी अच्छा था but somehow they kind of didn't end it well, didn't connect the dots well.
Yes.
And उस वजह से it felt like a bit off क्योंकि they were kind of, I'll not give any spoilers right now in case you are planning to watch, but there were some characters they were building and they were showing some shades basically of each of those characters, and eventually it would have been better to kind of have a closure to where the character eventually lands up or whatever they are showing through the course of the entire series, how it ends. So that we felt was missing, and
it felt incomplete.
It felt incomplete, yeah. And there was also another aspect to it, which was kind of not needed. It was like the AI robot thing, whatever that was. They showed a certain characteristic of that robot which was completely unnecessary. Again, if I say that, it will be a huge spoiler, so we are not saying.
Which one? Tell me.
The last one where she went. The last moment when she was with the.
Okay,
Yeah.
understood. Yeah.
So that definitely was not necessary at all. But it's a good single time watch. It was good.
Yeah. So overall, this was a very chill week. We relaxed and did a bit of work. तो हमने इस वीक में अच्छा वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस किया है. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Love you.
Bye.